It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
Hi Scotty, thanks for having me. And this is my Russian-made 1974 Lada 21011. It started its life as a Fiat 124, but in 1969 the Russians bought the license, and in 1970 the company started producing the VAZ 2101, which was more rugged version of the Fiat 124. Since the original Fiat engine did not have any space for modernization, which was considered as unacceptable by AutoVAZ, it was replaced with a new overhead camshaft engine, which was 1.3 liter and it produced 65 horsepower. It ran on 95 octane fuel, and in this situation it runs on propane gas, which means that the car is hybrid. It does 26 miles per gallon on petrol and 33 miles per gallon on propane fuel. As you can see, this is the propane conversion. It goes directly into the carburetor and mixes with the air, and that moves the car around. Well, it tries. The car was given heavier steel body panels. Due to the scarcity of auto repair shops in the Soviet Union, Ladas were designed to be easily maintained by owners. The VAZ 2101 was sold under the brand Zhiguli in the Soviet Union and branded as the Lada for export. The name Lada was delivered from a type of Viking longship, symbolized by the logo badge. Inside, the car is pretty spacious. You can fit your whole Slav family in here with no problem. Okay? You have space in the back for some stuff. And it's pretty easy to get in and out. You have a thing that was a radio over here. The heater, it blows hot and hot. The glove box with plenty of stuff inside. The speedometer, which is in kph. The lights, the fuses, and the choke. You have as well a lighter. This cable is not important now. Yeah, it is just there. One interesting feature of this car is this lever here. When you pull it, the whole seat can retract back, and you have a lot of space. It's like a bed. But if you're not happy, when you pull it, you can twist it as well, and that moves the seat forwards and backwards. See? Let's start her up and see how she works.
week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!